Welcome back to the Funko Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have 3 brand new Funko sodas to show you. So stay tuned after this brief intro. Welcome back. First up we have the Zombie Captain America, limited to 12,500. Let's see if we can get that chase. I believe the chase is glow in the dark. I want the Funko Pop to this. I'm having trouble finding it at the moment. I believe we just have the common. So I don't feel no glow-in-the-dark paint, but that doesn't mean anything because sometimes they put it in the actual plastic. Yep, just a common. 10,500. And then next up we have 2 Bumble sodas from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Let's see if we can get that diamond chase. It would go perfect with my Heat Miser and Snow Miser. I believe we just have the common. So I think the chase is diamond. Yep, just a common. 1,8400. Let's try our luck one more time. See if we can get that chase. Wah, wah, wah. Just another common. But I really don't care. I still love it because I love my classic Christmas cartoons. So comment down below if you were able to pick up any of these and if you got a chase. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Funko Brothers out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.